Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing Windows Me in a VM and attempting to use it. So you might notice I'm using my VMware again. It's just this has more better driver support than what you call it. It's took too long. So anyways, no. So again, my Windows Me. Well, referred to as Windows Millennium so that's just the code name. Might go through the development videos. We don't go for this. So figure out how to allocate this space. Yes, enable this support. Move CD-ROM, start Windows. So yeah, so there we go. So while this is doing its thing, I guess I'll just talk a bit about Windows Me itself. So Windows Me was that kind of like that byproduct that you occasionally see. Like it's almost like, do you want to install Windows Me or do you want to install Windows XP? You're probably going to choose Windows XP, but you get the point. It doesn't really have a reason to really exist, because I think we're in the second season. Sure, I'll keep talking. So congratulations, I hear you use Millennium. The first 3 bits are probably a lobby, since with this upgrade my RAM to 256 megs and I have 255. Entertaining, I can believe. Internet, obviously, how it's introduced as a proper feature in Windows 95. Even easier. Literally didn't even change the sound. Literally, you might as well just got 98, slapped the bit of a UI change, and that's it. No offense to anyone who actually likes Windows Me, such as my dad. Yeah, shout out to my dad. Now, I'm just going to enable everything just so we get the maximum experience. So now I want to name this for Win Me. Win Me is best. That's a joke. Keyboard warriors, please don't get mad at me. I'm going to call this the red. English, United States. Ready to begin. So while we do this, I'm not going to pause the video this time. So no. Anyways, we're going to talk a bit about Windows Me's development. So we're going to have to rewind a bit before Windows Me's release to 1998, when Windows 98 of course came out. So basically, according to Microsoft, Windows 98 would be the final 9X version of Windows, which was not true in two versions, because, during that time, Windows 98 SE and, of course, Windows Me came out, which are all against the plan that they said. And they even denied that they ever said that. Well, they didn't deny they ever said it, they more said that there's one more version in development, called Windows Millennium, which is meant to stand for the new year 2000, which happened 23 years ago. Oh my god, so it's been 23 years? Jeez. Windows Me was kind of like again, as I said in the start of the video, that stepgap product between one version and the other. Windows Me is kind of like that weird bridge, in a way. Like that one bridge that you have to go over, but it feels like it's about to collapse. Just realized I went on a pretty big adventure today. Empty Torrens. I was getting hit by a torrent. But that's completely off topic. So home Windows Movie Maker. Oh my god. I'm actually so used to this day. Not goodness. You probably know what to use it for. editing my videos. Since, well, yeah, I don't need anything professional yet. Since it's really just a watermark that's the problem. Since I don't want a watermark quick. What's a lie? Windows Me only supports new hardware. But well, it's almost done. It's going actually quite a lot slower. This old Windows style setup, I actually really like the design, but like the only issue is the way virtualization software work. I can't do that anymore, but anyways, okay. Reboot. Windows Me! Yay! We're in the final stage. Now it's technically plug and play hardware, which back in when it came out, people called plug and pray. That was more of a Windows 95 problem. Well, yeah. So now we're going to wait for this to finish. Now it's technically non-plug and play hardware. Which obviously all I'm saying right now is a complete joke. But well, it's not. This is going very slowly. So well, we're going to talk a bit more about Windows Me. So again, Windows Me is just a stepgap product between one release and another release. Which, let's talk about the perception. We all know it was bad, but what did people think it was? So well, people thought you were just getting effectively Windows 2000 home. Obviously that was not the case, since if you did your research, you would have noticed that no, it was not based on NT like Windows 2000. It was based on 9X. The older, more unstable, clunky code base. That literally is based on MS-DOS. Like, you realize how old DOS is, right? You realize I haven't used DOS since like 2008, like Me came out. Jeez. That was 23 years ago. Oh my god. Anyways, now I'm gonna make myself lazy best. And I'm just gonna use the exact same company. Now I accept. Now I'm gonna enter in my product key. Yay! Okay, so we've just entered in our product key. So now we're rebooting. Yay! Hello? Reboot. Now this is where we're actually... What just happened? Didn't we already just do this? Am I going crazy right now? Maybe about that careless release thing? What is happening? Oh, now we have to do this. Oh, I get it now. Now we're just gonna wait for it to copy its files. Wait. Now we're gonna wait for this to finish, of course, since that's important. Now we're gonna wait for this to finish up like this. So well, we're almost done. If I can get the here, I think we can do this fully. So well, let's talk about a bit more about Windows Me. So well, obviously, this OS was more of a, well, we don't have a reason for it to exist, but it exists kind of product. It's like, but basically, we're going to talk about Windows 8.1. Like, yes, Windows 8.1 actually has a reason. Like, Windows 7.1, that that would not have a reason to exist. I think it would just stay on 7.0. Yes, if you carefully, you might notice that I'm still using Windows 7. Because I love this OS and it's speedy, fast, secure. We're going to ignore the part that almost says secure. Well, I guess if you have proper antivirus and don't install virus that executable onto your computer, you should be pretty safe. So, yeah. And well, just necessarily afterward is a bit annoying, but like, I'm finally stuck on Edge 109, Visual Studio 19. Well, I couldn't tell what to do, but it's like 30 gigs. And Visual Studio Code 1.70. Which I only install for one reason. That I'm not going to say just yet. If you somehow hack into this Word document, you will figure out exactly what it is. Which I don't know how you're going to do since this is a locally stored file and you shouldn't have any back doors in it. I'm not a Chrome extension. But well, yeah, so we're now almost done. So well, now we need to get to here. So well, yeah. So well, there we go. Reboot. Those copyright dates, I love them. Literally, that's the whole reason why it's all VMware 14. It's because if here, 2019. I do not know why I care about those so much, but yeah, that's just a moment. But I guess I do care about them. Because there's lots of fire, but it's how was it support, so. Oh yeah, here we go. We should be just about to reach the desktop as we speak. And yeah, we are now officially reached the desktop. So now we're going to install VMware tools. And then we're going to simply wait. Wait. Next, typical install. So now it's just copying over all the files. Which everything works by the way. Would you finish? Reboot? Yes. Right now we're gonna enter full screen mode. Getting rid of my beautiful Starfield wallpaper. Which might be a favorite one, might not. You can figure that out yourself. Hint. I will. So now I think the resolution is right. Okay, yes. Here we go. We now have a fully functional copy of Windows. So now let's look through a bit of few of its new features. So, Windows Movie Maker. Oh no. I will be fine. It's only 5 seconds. But well, let's add. I do not know how to use that. But anyways, next, now we have System Restore. Yay! Create a restore point. My restore point. Yeah. There we go. So now we're going to create a text document and we're going to call it virus. Oh no! Oh, let's become a 2003 user. Oh! It's a Windows Me cannot be anymore. Oh my god, what do I do? Is this a restore? One. Okay, next. Restore. Oh my god! Oh my god! I got a virus! Oh no, he jokes. Oh my god. Also, nothing against Jones. Like, oh my god, oh my god. Why if I just... What the flip just happened? Go into recycle bin. Okay, so, well, okay, something. Now we're gonna press control delete. And now we're gonna end it for shutdown. Well, there we go. So that's Windows Me. And then entire video. So, well, how long is this video? 16 minutes. Okay. So, well, if you enjoyed, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. I realized this video's coming out. Sorry. But anyways, bye!